Webex Meetings is a powerful conferencing tool that gives users the ability to share not only their screens and applications, but with the right virtual camera software, they can turn their camera into complete virtual presentations. Enter VideoCom Presenter, a video presentation software that also has a virtual camera feature built in. In this video, I'll show you two methods on how to add the virtual camera of VideoCom Presenter to your Webex meeting, and I'll include some layout settings that you can use on Webex that can surely complement how your audience engages with your video. You'll need VideoCom Presenter, which you can get on the VideoCom official website. It's free to download and get started with your own VideoCom account, and once Presenter is installed, just log in your account and you can connect an existing presentation or create something new with it. Now it's time to share it on Webex. Method 1. From the Share Content button. On Webex, join or start a meeting and click the Share button located at the bottom of the screen and then select Camera. On the list of cameras, select VideoCom Presenter as the source and then click Share. Once shared, your camera on Webex will show the current slide on Presenter. Method 2. From the Video Options settings. On Webex, join or start a meeting and click the Video Options arrow icon located at the bottom of the screen. Then on the drop-down menu, select VideoCom Presenter and click Start Video. When done correctly, your camera on Webex will show the current slide on Presenter. And that covers both methods of setting up Presenter's virtual camera on Webex meetings. Here are some more useful tips that can help you make the most out of your virtual camera. Tip number 1. Adjusting Webex Mirrored Camera Preview. If your camera view appears mirrored, don't worry. Generally, Webex mirrors your self-view by default, but to your audience, they will see it the right way around. You can change the setting anytime by going to Video Options, Settings, and then uncheck the option Mirror My Video View. Tip number 2. Syncing your stage for everyone. If you have an attendee in your meeting room, you can prioritize what you want your attendants to see in their layout screen. To do this, click Layout at the top corner, and under the Stage section, enable the option Sync My Stage for Everyone. Tip number 3. Using Presenter as a microphone. VideoCom Presenter also has a virtual microphone feature, which is super helpful if you have content in your slides that have sound in them and you want them to be heard by your attendees in Webex. In your Webex meeting, just click the arrow icon next to the microphone button and then select Audio VideoCom Presenter. And that's all for this guide on how to use VideoCom Presenter as a camera on Webex meetings. If you'd like to learn more about VideoCom or general tips on how to improve your presentations, click the link to our blog today.